What are the Posse Comitatus Act origins in the military? Imagine a nation where the military and civilian law enforcement operate in clear and distinct roles, each respecting the boundaries that keep the balance of power. This balance is rooted in a historical context that shaped the legal framework we see today. The origins of the Posse Comitatus Act trace back to the post-Civil War era, a time when the United States was rebuilding its national identity and addressing the challenges of Reconstruction. During this period, federal authorities sought ways to prevent the military from intervening in domestic law enforcement activities unless explicitly authorized by law. The act was enacted in 1870. Its primary purpose was to limit the use of the United States Army and later the United States Air Force in enforcing civilian laws within the states. This legislation was a response to concerns that military intervention could undermine civilian authority and threaten civil liberties. During Reconstruction, federal troops had been deployed to oversee elections, protect the rights of newly freed African Americans, and suppress violent resistance from groups opposing Reconstruction policies. These actions highlighted the potential for military power to be misused or to infringe upon civil rights. The legislation was part of a broader effort to restore civilian control over military forces and to ensure that the military remained apolitical and subordinate to civilian government. The original law specifically prohibited the use of the military to execute the laws of the United States, except in cases where Congress authorized such action or in emergencies declared by the President. Over time, the Act has been interpreted and supplemented by additional laws and policies, but its core principle remains intact. Throughout history, the Posse Comitatus Act has served as a safeguard against the militarization of domestic law enforcement. It emphasizes that the military's role is to defend the nation from external threats, not to police internal affairs. This legal boundary helps maintain the separation of powers, ensuring that civilian authorities retain the primary responsibility for law enforcement within the country. The Act continues to influence policies and practices related to military involvement in domestic issues, reinforcing the importance of civilian oversight and constitutional principles.